Credit card of Platinum MasterCard is the best credit card you can have at this time. The best credit card for beginners. And let's start driving and looking around. I'll show you my Phoenix, Arizona, how it looks like when you are driving looking for the best credit card. Today I decided to get out of my house and shoot this video for you so you can learn more about the credit card. The MasterCard of Surge credit card, it's a good and it's a best for beginners. No annual fee, a lot of cashback, a lot of points. As I thought that when you have a credit card with a cashback, use it to get to pay your spending. No matter how much you have spent, you have to earn some point or some coin. When you add those coins at the end of the month, you're gonna find out you have maybe $5 to $10, which you can add and pay your credit card. That's why I like to talk about the credit card, because I know when I give you the best credit card like Surge Platinum MasterCard is the best for now for the beginners. The people who are looking for the best credit card, I'm giving you the numbers and the card also in front of my page so you can see how it looks like. If you can Google or you can search, you will see the card is just newly. Every day the lenders bring out new credit card to help us millennial and also the other people who does not have a credit card to have credit card, whereby we will be able to pay our credit card or we will able to have the fast credit card. You can use your credit card also to pay your bill. As I said, when you get your first credit card, ask the lender if you can withdraw some money. And because we gotta drive now and go talking about the credit card, so let's see this where it's gonna take us. When you get the credit card, first of all, check the statement. The second thing, check when is your pay due date. The pay due date is always in the statement. Okay, when you download the app, you will see also where it's written statement. Click the statement and see your paying due date is which date. It depends if it's gonna be the day when you get paid or it's when you have to save your check so that you will be able to pay your credit card. Remember, if you don't pay your credit card, your credit score will change. And remember, here we live by credit score. Credit score is the one to give you a good rate, a good interest rate, everything you need. It's all about your credit score. So make sure you pay your credit cards whenever you use them. If you want, I give always my credit card number for you. If you want to spend $10, you just need to subscribe to my channel and request for more stories about a credit card. I like to talk about the credit card because I have seen so many people struggling, not knowing when to use their debit card or to use their credit card. Credit card is the best to use because you build your credit and you earn some cash. When you use your debit, it's just you are using your saving. And when you have emergency, you don't have money left with you to use when you have emergency. So let's drive around and see what's going to happen with us when we are driving talking about the credit card. And I'm gonna post the credit card in front of my page so you can see the Surge Platinum MasterCard is the best credit card which you can have for this time to improve, to grow, and also to subscribe to my channel, because I like when you hit the like button and also you share with your friends. Tell them about the new credit card, because I like to search for the new credit card which lenders has given to us, so you will be able to master your money and also to drive with me. So let's keep driving, guys. I know you like driving, so let's drive and go to side hustle. Find money to pay your credit card. It's a way of having an extra money. So today I'm gonna show you. I'm driving all the way here in AZ, Phoenix, Arizona, going to my side hustle in the morning. It's around 6 o'clock in the morning. It's traffic and I'm gonna go and make my side hustle. If you ever been in Arizona, it's too hot, and I'm talking about hot. So it's really hot in here, and because of that we have to wake up so early so we can go to work. So for this reason, subscribe to my channel and also share, and also watch all the videos all the way to the end to show you how Arizona it looks like. So this is called Arizona in Tempe, and it's a long way drive from where I live. So I'm gonna show you how I drive from my house to this side hustle job, and then from this side hustle job I'm gonna go to my original shift, because this is the only way we can survive when you have a side hustle. Here we go. So let's go, keep going guys. So watch me. I have somebody driving beside me and he's so nice. You can see here we have Palm Beach Inn. If you like to eat some food or if you enjoy driving with me, I think this is the best time we can have all together, driving, talking about the credit card. And the best credit card is the best credit card which has a cashback. A cashback credit card always gives you money to gas your vehicle, to have your coffee on your way, and also it provides you with a real money saving, because whatever you have in your credit card and you spend it, you're gonna put it back by paying back your credit card. Remember guys, always remember to go for the credit card with a cashback. For example, Chase Freedom, it's always a best credit card for the teenagers. Also a credit card whereby you deposit the money, and then when you deposit the money, you have a credit card which you have a limit of usage. So when you deposit the money, you have to use according to the money you have deposited. So here we comes the traffic. So if you check this area, this is the area where is a lot of buildings, and it's 101 Price Road northbound. I don't know if you ever heard about this. So, and I hope you enjoy my drive. It's no longer traffic, so the traffic is gone. Let's keep going. We have to drive until we reach to our destination, talking about the credit card. And I like to know what type of content do you like me to create for you guys. If you like the topic about the credit card, just let me know. If you like the content about how to make extra cash or how to have a passive income, also let me know, because I see most of the people, they like about the credit cards, but also I like to mix up your brain so you can enjoy when you watch different kind of contents in my YouTube. So today I decided I'm gonna drive and show you around my area and show you where I drive and where I go to look for my best credit card. So don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel to help my channel to grow. So we almost here now to the Phoenix City, which is a very long drive, almost to if you've heard about the Phoenix, Arizona, this is Phoenix, Arizona now. When you drive to this long drive, because it's early morning, is not hot, you have to drive really careful and very slowly, because the road is so congested with so many vehicles, people driving to work. You know, everybody is busy watching their streets. So don't forget to hit the like button too as well, so I can educate you about how to drive in easy in my area, and also how to get the best credit card for yourself, and also where you can use your credit card and use the coupons and also use your points to pay with when you have the best credit card. As I mentioned, always have the credit card with a cashback. And as you can see now, I make a turn almost to reach to my destination, and guys, I cannot even get enough to thank you for all what you have done. You have watched to my channels, and I really appreciate your your likes, your share, your comments. Everything is being appreciated, because without you, I know I could not make it. So I've reached to my destination.